Good evening, everybody. Joe from the Black Rock Central. This is going to be the final video in Jack's cement plant build. Jack, you need to pay attention to this one here so that I can let you know how this goes together. This chute lines up underneath of this filter housing. And just kind of sits there. The smokestack can go anywhere. We'll move that here in a minute. Let me open this back up here again for a minute. This building here and this building have holes underneath. Those holes will line up with pins on the base for the roller assembly. So keep that in mind here for just a second. One end slides in, the other end slides in, and basically you adjust it until it sits flat on the ground. If you take this and slide it directly underneath, it will lock in. Your roller or kiln has two different ends. One is a single bearing. This one here is a double bearing. When it goes in, there's a hole in the building that it will line up into. The same with this building. With this one, when the double side goes in, let's shift down this way here. Make sure that when you go through this bearing here, you go through with both pieces. There should be some of that shaft sticking out on the end. Again, it will line up with the holes. Like so. That's why I did not glue the two roofs onto there, so that you can get to it. In addition, sorry about that, had to go get this part. There is a large gear. This goes on the end of that shaft if you decide you want to motorize this thing. I'm going to tell you, don't waste your time or your money. The motor that Walthers has for this is the noisiest damn motor you will ever hear in your life. It's not worth motorizing, just so that you can see the drum turn around. Set your roofs on there. You can glue them on if you're not going to motorize it. Your short conveyor, very simple. You just put it in the two holes. That's how this thing all gets assembled, Mr. Jack. I'm going to try to slide back here as far as I can. I can't go back too far. The smokestack I normally put in this end. Now, this way here is opposite from the way I showed you the first time, depending on where you want your tracks to be. Since your unloading shed is on this side now, your tracks would be here. If you turn everything around the way it was before, your tracks are on the opposite side. So you can arrange it whatever way you want to. But here shortly, I'll start boxing this mess up. And hopefully I will get everything out probably Wednesday. Like I told you on the telephone, the replacement railings made it in for the second the second part of this building or this complex. I've got them painted now. They got to dry overnight, and then I'll get them glued on sometime tomorrow, and then I'll proceed to start trying to package this thing up. You're going to be getting at least 2 boxes, probably 3. I'll let you know when that time comes. So in the meantime, in addition, let me make one more comment here. Yeah, sorry about that. Had to replace the batteries, died on me. But like I was saying, I appreciate all of the views that everybody partook of or partaken of or watched. All the comments, I really appreciate them. I hope you found it enjoyable. If you plan on building this thing, I wish you good luck. Like I said, it does take up a lot of room, but you can shrink it down some if you want to. In the original building, according to the directions anyway, this is actually supposed to go 90 degrees to this. But we did some changes in there to get it all in line the way Jack wanted it. Well, like I said, I appreciate everybody that watched, everybody that commented. I really appreciated it. And y'all have a great day. And we will catch y'all on the next build. Bye for now.